Right, so I'll show you one of a couple of ways you could set up these miniature noose mats on a branch. So all you've got to do then is put a couple of berries or something in the middle. Arrange your snares a bit better. Remember, like I said, these could be out of fishing wire or fishing line. And when your bird lands down, you may get his head in one, you may get his foot in one, but either way you've got two kind of options and you've got 5 chances at least. So another method you could use with this is hammer a pole in the ground and just tie a little bit of mesh right on top of the pole. Same thing, bait. It depends on what animal you're going after. You could put a bit of meat on them, try and catch a bird of prey or something. Tie it to a pole. You can even bend the sides down, bend these over because it's flexible. Bend it over, tie it on the middle of a pole in an open area. So a pretty good little survival trap, and fits easily in a bag, even in a tin, you know, and gives you quite a few options to try different things. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.